Two heavyweights in the business software world, HubSpot CRM and ServiceNow, stand head-to-head. Which platform truly deserves the spotlight? On the left, the all-in-one inbound CRM platform, HubSpot CRM. And on the right, ServiceNow, the enterprise leader in digital workflows. Let's cut through the marketing jargon and get down to what actually matters. We'll compare category by category, and each win gets points, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner in 2025 might just surprise you. All right, before we get too deep, let's zoom out and look at the categories we're going to compare. Here's our mind map: pricing, integration ecosystem, workflow and automation, usability and target market, sales and marketing features, and customer service and support. Sound good? Cool. Let's get on with the first category.
Okay, let's talk about pricing. First up, HubSpot CRM.
And honestly, the pricing here is super transparent. You get a totally free CRM tier, and there are no sneaky fees lurking around the corner. If you want the very best features, yep, you'll need a paid plan. But the base stuff is solid. Now, ServiceNow, things get a little more complicated. It's flexible, especially for enterprise deals, but if you're a small business, don't expect bargains here. The pricing structure is complex, and those enterprise-level perks come at a higher cost. So, for most folks, especially the SMBs, HubSpot takes this round. Next up is integration ecosystem. HubSpot CRM comes swinging with over 500 integrations. Like if you're using Slack, Gmail, or whatever, it probably plugs right in. They're claiming a 90% productivity boost rate, and their REST API is super easy if you want to get fancy. But if you crave sheer volume, ServiceNow has over 1,000 integrations. That's wild, right? And it's built for big teams with serious enterprise APIs and a solid adoption rate. The catch? You might need some serious IT muscle to set things up. Smaller teams may find the whole thing kinda overwhelming. So, while ServiceNow flexes on numbers, HubSpot's simplicity and flexibility win for most users. All right, scene 3, workflow and automation. Now, this is where ServiceNow absolutely shines. HubSpot CRM does a neat job. It'll automate your sales tasks and even recommend ways to engage your customers, which is really nice. But when we talk about advanced automation, predictive analytics, and transforming manual processes into digital flows, ServiceNow's got it dialed up. I mean, you get lead scoring, predictive sales productivity boosts, the works. Though, I'll be honest, setting it all up can feel like a project in itself. So if you're all about hardcore automation and you have the time to configure, ServiceNow is the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know HubSpot started as a marketing blog and then somehow totally blew up into a leading CRM platform? Seriously, from random blog posts to one of the biggest names in business software. Let's move on to usability and target market. HubSpot CRM's interface? Super intuitive. Even if you're brand new, you can jump in. It's kind of made for small to mid-sized businesses that want to grow. It's got inbound marketing tools built right in. ServiceNow, meanwhile, is like the enterprise Swiss Army knife. You can customize everything, and you get this unified cloud vibe for IT, employee, and customer workflows. But man, the learning curve is steep. And unless you're an enterprise, you might be biting off more than you can chew. HubSpot keeps it simple, so it's my pick for usability. Up next, sales and marketing features. HubSpot's got some cool inbound tools, automated workflows, and even content recommendations, so your team can work leads with minimal effort. Of course, analytics get better as you go higher up the plan tiers. ServiceNow's strong point is predictive analytics and lead scoring, which is awesome for personalization, but honestly, it's more focused on workflow than hardcore marketing. So if that's what you need, HubSpot's the hero here. Last, but definitely not least, we're talking customer service and support. HubSpot CRM has a support rating of 8.8 out of 10, with features like multi-channel inboxes and efficient ticket management. Not bad, right? But if you're looking for IT-level depth, it's a bit limited. ServiceNow, though, totally automates customer service workflows and claims to cut complaint resolution time by like 30%. The thing is, their support system is mostly tailored for big enterprises. So SMBs might not get all the love. All things considered, HubSpot nabs this round for everyday support. So if you pull all the scores together, pricing, integrations, usability, all those categories, things start to look pretty clear on the radar chart. HubSpot consistently comes out ahead for smaller teams, sales, and everyday users. But if you scan the chart for enterprise automation and deep customizable workflow stuff, ServiceNow rounds out those categories with a bang. You know what? I'd say if you're a small to medium business, or you want something easy, scalable, and packed with solid marketing and sales tools, HubSpot CRM is definitely your best bet in 2025. But if you're a massive enterprise that lives and breathes process automation across IT, employees, and customers, ServiceNow is probably what you're shopping for. Both killer platforms, just different vibes. If you want more down-to-earth tech breakdowns and honest comparisons, hit that follow button for more insights on the best business software. Stay tuned.